In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the item list in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to update the products or services in your company file, QuickBooks Desktop makes it pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the item list, how to add a new item, how to edit an existing item, and how to make changes to multiple items at once. This is especially useful if you're keeping your records organized and want to make sure your item details stay accurate. To get started, go to the top menu bar in QuickBooks Desktop. From there, select Lists and then click Item List. This opens the full list of items currently available in your file. You'll typically see things like services, inventory items, non-inventory items, and other item types depending on how your business is set up. If you want to add a new item, look toward the bottom of the item list window and click the Item button, then click New. QuickBooks will ask you to choose the correct item type. This part matters because the type you select affects how the item behaves in transactions and reports. For example, you might choose service, inventory, or non-inventory, depending on what you're creating. After selecting the right type, fill out the item details in the form provided. Take a moment to review the information carefully so everything is entered correctly. Once you're done, click OK to save the new item. If you only need to edit a single item, that's even more straightforward. In the item list, find the item you want to update and double-click it. This opens the item's detail window where you can change whatever information needs to be updated. After making your edits, click OK or Save to finish. This method works well for one-off updates like correcting a name, adjusting a description, or changing other item settings. If you need to edit several items at the same time, QuickBooks also gives you a faster option. From the list area, go to Add Edit Multiple List Entries. Once that opens, choose the type of list you want from the drop-down menu, then make your changes directly in the grid rows. This is a convenient way to update multiple entries without opening each one individually. When you've finished, click Save Changes at the bottom to apply everything. That's how to modify the item list in QuickBooks Desktop, whether you're adding new items, updating a single entry, or editing multiple items in bulk. These tools can help you keep your records clean and up to date.